Pasok na tayo sa trabaho natin. Magandang umaga, magandang gabi, magandang umaga. Pasok na tayo. Mag hand punch muna tayo bago pumasok. Ang time ng pasok ko ay 7:30. Kaso lang maaga tayo kasi mag-open ko na back to work sa system. Kaya open ko muna yung system para mag-back to work ako. Hand punch tayo. Yung pinapasukan ko hospital. Hand punch tayo ngayon. Ating opisina. Ating hospital pinapasukan. Pasok tayo sa opisina natin. Dito tayo pumapasok. Ulit na kwarto. Para alam ang opisina natin. Mag-con muna tayo. Return to work sa system. Kasi hindi tayo pwedeng dito sumablay. Baka hindi tayo sumahod. Katapos nito, i-meet natin lahat ng mga kaibigan natin sa maintenance, sa operation service. Ayan. Balik. Ayan. Return to work. Ayan. I-return. Select lang natin. And 25. Ba't ayaw pumasok? Posted. Kaso lang ayaw mo pumasok. Ano nangyari? Nakapasok na. Kala ko hindi pumasok. Nakapasok na. Tingnan natin. Kala ko hindi nakapasok sa system. May problema kasi nag-i-error. Ulit tayo sa tracking. Saan tayo pupunta? Tracking. Saan makikita yun? Homepage. Tracking. Okay. Track natin kung nandyan na. Ayun. Mayroon. Kita nyo yung nasa unahan. Yan na yun. Tapos titik natin kung sino ang mag-approve as engineer. Ayun. Okay na. Ayos na. Naka-return duty na tayo. Naka-return duty na tayo. Antayin na lang natin aprobahan yan ng aming boss. Aprobahan niya siguro mamaya. Kasi maaga pa naman. Ang aming boss dito ay isang Saudi na mabait. Pero dito sa departamento ko, ang boss ko is Indiano. Isang Indian, mabait din. Para ko na rin kapatid. Matagal na kaming nagsama dito. Actually, isang Nepali, isang Saudi, at isang, anong tawag doon, isang Indian ang kasama ko sa trabaho. Kung tinatanong nyo kung ano ang trabaho ko dito, kuwan ako dito sa safety. Nagtatrabaho. Mga alarm system. Hey, this is my friend and brother Musa. Then this is Amris. Okay, my brother and co-worker in hospital. So we are working in safety department. Okay. So sometimes we quarrel, but it's okay for us because at the end of the day, we'll just forgiving every time we quarrel. Them. Quarreling is what they call is important to make our ties better. You know that one, okay? So these are our co-worker, my friend, my family here in Saudi Arabia. I came back for just now. Then I will just wait for our manager to come. Okay, thank you so much. Just keep on watching us, our daily life here in Saudi Arabia.
Maganda rin we will explain to them
Yeah.
that this fire extinguisher will only last 10 to 15
10 seconds, yes.
All our portable fire extinguishers will only last for that long.
Yeah, it is not long more.
That is why we need to explain to them that the earliest response, the better.
Okay. So
10 to 15
simulator
seconds.
first.
All your, that one, 10 to 15 seconds only. Depends on the weight,
size,
the
and the
size
weight,
of
yeah.
the extinguisher. If you have the cylinder, the
Bigger.
big one, then it will
last long.
for maybe a minute. Or maybe walang a minute.
Walang minute. Only
Maybe 30
maybe
seconds.
30 seconds. Okay.
But for the portable ones like this, 10 to 15.
Okay. My boss, engineer Sheikh Faisal Roop from India. Okay. Okay, done. And that is
Who is
Amrish.
this? Who's this?
Okay, good.
Good.
Say hi to the Filipino community, Indian community and Nepali community. Ah, Nepali. Okay. This one is our office. This area.
You're showing to whom here?
In YouTube. Okay. Maraming salamat sa support at panonood sa ating mga video. Kaya update ko lang kayo dito sa aming hospital. Araw-araw. Oo, pagka hindi busy. Pagka busy naman, every other busy ko. Yan. Agency ulit namin. Hospital. May building. Pauwi na rin. Maraming sasakyan, di mo dapat naman dala yung helmet ko. So, ang gagawin natin, maglalakad muna tayo ngayon. Mahirap na, maraming sasakyan. Imbis na mag-bike sana ako, maglalakad na lang ako. Pauwi. Bitbitin na lang. Pauwi na po tayo. Nakit lang natin itong bike natin kasi medyo mataas. Hindi kaya. Sa rampa. Yan.